Hi, I'm going to show you how to replace the belt, fix replacement part. This is the Remington walk behind trimmer, the 22-inch. Okay, we're going to fold the handle down. All the ball and screw are already loosening up to save time. I'm showing you this. Let's flip it over. I'm going to show you how to install awesome wheel attachment plate with a 5-inch caster wheel on it. Make this thing move really smoothly. Okay, the first thing you do, I remove the 3-bolt. The cup, I remove it out from the spin head. Next thing you do is remove this 4-bolt that hold the plastic guard to the frame. It's already losing. Just remove them and take them out. Take the plastic guard, just weave the line over the hole, and just align it. You see that? And it will come out easily like that. Next thing you do is to remove the ball from. And then you just pull the head out, right? See it come out. When it come out, just pull it out like that. Pull the spin head out. Take it down. There's a spacer go over the shaft, 2 of them, and then the wheel bearing will last. When you put everything back, make sure the belt is inside the belt guide. The 2 of them right here. Make sure they're inside, so they will come out. If you need to replace the belt, remove this bolt. The wheel will come out, and you can get the belt out. This is brand new, so I don't need to do anything. Now we're gonna put them back. Make sure the belt is on top of the pulley right here. So it's loosened up, so you can align up here. Make sure take the assembly, put awesome wheel over it, and then put the guard over like that. Make sure the straight hole on the right on this side is straight. This hole are straight. The 2 hole with an angle. That's the only way it fit. Just slide over. Now just align the belt in the pulley groove. Make sure the inside underneath the guide right here, the belt will be inside the guide on this side also, and just push it in. I use a longer bow. The original bow is only ½ inch long. I got 1.25 inch long bow to mount on both sides. Okay, the next thing, make sure you tight this bow to the shaft real tight, and then put the cup over, cut, and then put the wheel on. Make sure everything tight, and lay the baby down. There you go, folks. Easy. No effort at all. Only on 3 wheel. See how it looks. The trim head never touch the ground, and you can make this go a little bit higher by put another nut down here and raise it up like 1/4 inch if you want to. Make it higher so it will never touch the ground. There you go. Thank you.